All right, everyone. The reason for the video is a lot of people have asked me for some updates on Leo and longevity. They've been asking me about this for the past 2 months, and I've been always answering no, there's not been any updates on it. But, it is May. Leo has been dead for almost a year now, at least. And I have to honestly go ahead and just conclude the whole situation. The Leo and longevity case is over with. And honestly, it's been over with for the past couple of months, and I'm going to explain why. First off, Thailand is not some backwoods country or anything like that. They have ways of analyzing DNA. They have ways of investigating murders. They've solved murders, cold cases as well. So you can't blame lack of resources as far as this being solved. Uh, and of course, given the state that Leo's room was in, as well as the bathroom, I mean, there was literally DNA evidence all over. Probably from on the body, on the toilet, on the sink, on the walls, everywhere. So the Thailand police would have obviously collected all that DNA evidence to find out who did it. So also, you got to point out the fact that nothing was stolen from the place whatsoever. Nothing. There was no money stolen or anything. So is there a cover up? Yeah, probably. And the reason for the cover up is that, in my professional opinion, working in law enforcement before, the cover up is that the likely people or peoples that actually killed Leo is either an angry brother or angry father that of those women that were in that house that Leo may have abused or assaulted. And I'm not going to get into any deep details, but you guys know how Leo treated women, and even Dr. Huge also has somewhat admitted to Leo's treatment of women. And I think what probably happened is that Leo put a whooping on one of those women, and subsequently, either her brother, father, or the family went in and they cleaned house. In other words, because folks, there is no way, in my opinion, that you can have that type of a mess, all that DNA evidence and everything, just scattered all over the place, and this being a cold case. It's just not going to happen, okay? Like I said before, Thailand has solved cold cases. They have DNA, they have analysis labs no different than the US. The reason why these people are not being prosecuted is because, again, Thailand, while it has all of these labs, they still have somewhat a family type situation to where they look out for each other. It's like Tony Soprano. They wash their own dirty laundry, in other words. So, as far as Leo's wife is concerned, she can go and plead to the Thailand police. She can open it or anything like that. But the United States does not have any supremacy over the affairs of Thailand. Folks, when you go to someone else's country, behave, okay? Behave. Go by the rules itself. And I'm going to be honest with you again. Connor Murray may be next, actually, after that little incident that he at that house and assaulting those women. And that's also the reason why I'm making this video, generally because of that. As far as this is concerned, the Thailand police already know who killed Leo. They probably knew it within a couple of days. I'll just be honest with you. But, they've pretty much closed ranks as far as to the people that did it. Now someone can go down there, they can go and question the ladies. They're not going to talk. You can't compel them to talk. The United States, again, has no supremacy over another country. Period. Okay? So, folks, and this is one of the reasons why I'm not a big fan of Thailand. People talk about Thailand like they used to talk about Dubai. But remember that, Thailand and Dubai are not the United States. They're not Britain or anything like that. They're a very homogenous country, And when something like this happens, they're going to close ranks. They're going to basically wash their own dirty laundry. So, essentially put, there is a 0.5 chance that Leo's killer will be brought to justice. Just saying. So, folks, I definitely get that you guys want updates from me, but there's no updates that I can offer, and there will never be any updates. And I do mean never any further updates as far as Leo is concerned, May he rest in peace there, But that's all I got to say for this here. You guys, y'all have a good rest of the day.